Welcome to today's explainer. Look, if you've ever tried to run a local AI coding assistant and your laptop suddenly sounded like a Boeing 747 taking off from your desk, or if you just don't have the budget for massive, expensive GPUs, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're unlocking enterprise-grade AI coding, and we're doing it completely for free. No crazy hardware limits, no heavy local models bogging you down, just pure, limitless coding power using Claude Code and NVIDIA NIM. Let's get right into it.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here's our roadmap for today. First, AI coding without GPUs. Second, the top 3 NVIDIA models. Third, Mac and Linux setup. Fourth, Windows setup via WSL. And finally, the dual terminal workflow.
Section 1. AI coding without GPUs, bypassing hardware limits.
So the old way, that meant running local Llama models, and honestly, unless you had a top-tier, massive GPU, it was painfully slow, like really only good for tiny tasks. Real coding was just next to impossible. But the new way, we are tapping into lightning-fast, totally free NVIDIA NIM models running directly in the cloud. It's like getting the speed and reasoning power of a supercomputer without actually having to buy one.
Now, you might be wondering, okay, what's the catch? Do I get cut off after an hour? Well, your only limit is 40. That's 40 requests per minute on NVIDIA's free tier. And the absolute best part? There is 0 daily limit. Literally none. That is a massive allowance, and it's going to handle almost any coding task you throw at it without throttling your workflow. Section 2. Top free NVIDIA models. Choosing your AI brain.
We are not dealing with watered-down basic versions here. NVIDIA's NIM API lets you plug directly into absolute powerhouses. These punch in the exact same weight class as Claude Opus and Sonnet. For this setup, you can choose DeepSeek V4 Pro for its phenomenal complex reasoning or Qwen for blistering speed and coding accuracy. You are getting top-tier enterprise logic for sure, and entirely for free.
Section 3. Mac and Linux setup. Terminal commands for Unix-based systems.
All right, step 1. Open up your default terminal or iTerm2 and run the install commands. You'll typically use curl to grab UV and then use UV to install Python 3.14. Next, use the git clone command to download the NVIDIA NIM repository and use cd to change your directory right into that folder. Finally, use the cp command to copy the provided .env.example file to .env so we can safely edit it. These initial commands prep your entire environment.
Once those files are downloaded, you need the keys to the kingdom. Head over to the NVIDIA NIM website. First, you absolutely must verify your phone number. The system just won't let you create a key without it. Once you're verified, generate your API key. You can even set it to never expire if you want. Then open that .env file we just copied using VS Code or TextEdit and paste your key right in. Finally, add the name of the model you picked earlier, like DeepSeek V4 Pro. But listen carefully here. Make absolutely sure you keep the NVIDIA / prefix intact in that text file. Seriously, do not accidentally delete that prefix.
Section 4. Windows setup via WSL, getting Linux tools natively on a PC.
Now, what's really interesting about this setup is, if you're on Windows, you might be tempted to just open PowerShell and start pasting commands. Don't do it. You want to use WSL, the Windows subsystem for Linux. This is a compatibility layer that lets you run a true Linux environment directly on Windows. Most modern AI development tools are built natively for Linux first. Using WSL completely bypasses all those frustrating limitations of PowerShell.
Here are your absolute first steps to get that native Linux environment running. Step 1. Open PowerShell as an administrator. Type WSL install and hit enter. Step 2. Once that finishes, restart your entire PC. Step 3. When you boot back up, simply open the Microsoft Store, search for Ubuntu, and hit download. It is really that straightforward to get a Linux engine running right on your Windows machine.
Once Ubuntu is installed, open it up. It's going to ask you to set an Ubuntu username and password. Remember, this is effectively a separate OS running inside your Windows, so it needs its own credentials. From there, you'll update your packages and install UV and Python using standard Linux commands like sudo apt update and curl. Again, not PowerShell commands. Finally, you'll create a new folder for your projects, let's call it FCC, and download those same NVIDIA NIM files directly into it.
Now you might be wondering how you actually edit those Linux files on Windows. Well, it's beautifully integrated. You just open your standard Windows File Explorer, look over on the left sidebar, and click the Linux tab. Navigate through Ubuntu, then Home, to your username. You'll find your files right there. Open that .env file with Notepad. Generate and paste your NVIDIA NIM API key exactly like we discussed a minute ago. Select your model, save, and close. Boom. Easy access without leaving your familiar Windows interface.
Section 5. Dual Terminal Workflow. The secret to connection stability.
To keep everything stable, you're going to manage two separate terminal windows side by side. Terminal 1 is entirely dedicated to your NVIDIA NIM API server. It must continuously run in the background, totally untouched. Terminal 2 is your actual Claude Code environment. This is the active window where you'll type your prompts, run the coder, and actually build your projects. Managing these two windows is the absolute key to this workflow.
Here is a quick pro tip for troubleshooting connection errors. If you ever get one, 99% of the time, it's because Terminal 1 stopped running. You always got to keep that NVIDIA NIM API running. If it stops, Claude Code has literally nowhere to send its requests, and it will fail immediately. Also, keep in mind, because these are massive free enterprise models, you might occasionally see a dropped connection during NVIDIA's peak server hours. If that happens, no worries. Just restart the server in Terminal 1.
Okay, let's bring it all together for the final execution. In Terminal 1, run the command to start the NVIDIA NIM server. Let it process and just leave it alone. Then, open Terminal 2, navigate to your project folder, and install Claude Code using the specific bash command for your operating system. Once it's installed, simply restart that terminal, pick your preferred dark or light mode, and launch it. That's it! The dual terminal setup comes to life, giving you a world-class AI coder sitting locally on your machine, powered entirely by the cloud.
Before you start building the next big app, let's do a quick systems check. Type /status in your Claude Code terminal. This will display your localhost URL right there. Seeing that URL is your ultimate verification. It proves confidently that your local Claude Code is successfully speaking to the Cloud NVIDIA API right in the background. You are fully connected and ready to go.
So, you've bypassed the expensive hardware limits. You have top-tier enterprise AI models acting as your personal senior developers. You've got zero daily limits and lightning-fast cloud execution powering your local environment. So the only question left to ask is, what will you build first with free, limitless AI coding? Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Get those terminals set up, dive into the code, and I will see you next time.